Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're in Walmart. We're going to go through all the new scoop and free assembly. And if you like these videos, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're new, and let's go shop. These new barrel-leg jeans from Free Assembly. They're high-rise. They have this side pocket. They go in at the bottom and then pockets on the back. Jeans are going to be $30. Dress from Free Assembly. So this one has the ruching at the top and then that blue print we saw, and some other pieces with the pineapple, like the palm tree smocking in the back, and they're $40. New flutter sleeve sweaters from Free Assembly. These have that squared neckline. It's a knit material, open with the tie in the back. In the green, also comes in blue, and they are going to be $24. Cuffed denim from Free Assembly. These look like they're high-rise. They have this little rip detail with the faux cuff. Same fit through the back. Jeans are $28. New cargo jeans from Scoop. Have the side button, the cargo pocket, barrel leg with the trouser pockets on the back. Color in these skirts from Scoop. So we saw the floral, now there's the pink. They have the smocking at the top, flowy fit. The same through the back. And that matches back to this top. This one has the thin straps, the little ruffles, same fit through the back. That also, oh yeah, there it is. It also comes in the floral that matches back to the skirt, or you can do a long sleeve top that has that plunging neckline, relaxed fit, the side seam. Also new sweater-Thanks from Scoop. So these have the thick strap, squared neckline, lined on the inside. In the ivory, also comes in the black. They're on sale for $16.50. And then they have these new, I think this was online only, like balloon style pants from the oh no, it's just regular Scoop. So they have the elastic waistband, that true jogger bottom, and then the same fit through the back. But it's a lightweight chiffon. We saw some other pieces with that. New color in this dress from Free Assembly. So we saw the yellow. Now they have it in the pink. It has the ruching at the top. Fit and flare midi length. Same fit through the back, and they're $38. Also new square neck dresses from Free Assembly. They have the thick strap, that square neckline, fit and flare, same through the back. In the denim, also comes in that multicolor, and they're $38. New denim top from Free Assembly. This has that high neckline, sleeveless, boxy fit, and $22. They also have a new trouser short from Free Assembly. These have the tortoise buttons, the two front pockets, same fit through the back, and they are $24. Ruffled tanks from Free Assembly. These have that high neckline, that ruffled poplin, stretchy through the body, same fit through the back. In the navy, also comes in white, and they are $24. Also new ivory jeans from Free Assembly. These are high-rise. They have the pork chop pocket, the raw hem at the bottom, and then functioning pockets in the back. And the jeans are $28. Tanks from Free Assembly. So these match back to the cardigans we saw. They have the thin strap, that open knit material, squared in the back. And then to match, they have these little short sleeve cardigans. They have that same open knit puff sleeve with the scallop trim. And then that same fit through the back. Color in the Free Assembly. This is the tank. So now they have this greeny brown color, high neckline, sleeveless. That's what it looks like. So they have this new color. There's black. I think that's also new. The pink and the navy stripe, they are $8. My jumpsuit, I shared this in the haul. These are on major sale. I don't know if they still are, but it has the thin strap, V neckline, elastic. I got a size small. And I think they were regular like $35, but they're on major sale. I have a new color in the scuba sweatpants. These have an elastic waistband, jogger, that barrel leg, gray, the lavender. Oh, they have pockets on the back too. That's new. Top that matches back to those barrel pants. So it has an adjustable strap, that lace trim. It looks like it has that asymmetrical bottom, comes up and then longer on the sides. have this new dress from Scoop. This has the scoop neckline. Look how pretty the embroidered detail is. That crochet through the back. There's snake skin print. These are Bermuda shorts. Oops. So they have the button, zip, the pleating, relaxed fit. Why is this moving? And then pockets on the back. So these new flutter sleeve dresses from Free Assembly, they have this squared neckline, flutter sleeve, that seam detail under the bust, fit and flare, and then the tie detail in the back with the smocking. Comes in this multicolor print, also in the blue and white stripe, and they're $32. This dress. Scoop has that plunging neckline, longer length. Same V through the back. It's really nice and pleated at the bottom. Also have the new slim fit cardigans. They have that high neckline. You can't go wrong with these. I think I bought it last year. I go for it all the time, even with my other outfits. So they have white, navy, pink, and red this year, and they're $22. Cute is this new set from Free Assembly. So top has that scoop neckline, sleeveless, boxy fit, and then to match they have these jeans. They're the side pocket, barrel leg, pockets in the back. The top also comes in, oh no, it's all the yellow. So the tank is going to be, I think they're 26. Jeans are also 26. And then also new from Free Assembly are these dresses. These have this smaller collar, button up into the waist, fit and flares out with the tiers. The same fit through the back. And they're $34. Two are these new tops from Scoop. I love that pink color. It has the flutter sleeve, square neckline, the little lace trim. Same through the back. And the pink also comes in the white. Seersucker blazer from Free Assembly. This one has the smaller collar, lapel, tortoise buttons, the tortoise wrist, completely lined, seam through the back, and that one is $40. So new from Free Assembly are these smock tanks. So these have the thicker straps, smocking with the peplum and the poplin material in the orange and pink stripe. Also the gray and white tops are $22. And then the skirts to match have that smocking, the poplin, fit and flare in both of those prints and colors, and they're also $32. Also have new from Free Assembly. Let's look here. The embroidered top dress, flowy skirt. That's what the bottom looks like. Also new from Free Assembly are these fit and flare skirts. So these have an elastic waistband. How Farm Rio is this? Nice like linen kind of poplin feel. So they have the banana print and then also this pink pineapple. And the skirts are going to be $26. They're Farm Rio, look for less. This one has the thin straps, the little tie detail, baby doll fit with the little papayas. And then the same fit through the back. Blue floral dress from Free Assembly. This one has the thin straps, this little twist detail, seaming, fit and flares in the poplin material. Has the zipper and the smocking in the back, and they're $38. Also new from Free Assembly are these dresses. So they have the thin strap, that scallop trim, fit and flare with the pockets. And these are $36. So now at jackets from Free Assembly, these have the smaller collar, lapel, tortoise button, completely lined. A little bit of a shoulder pad in the blue. Also comes in that blue chambray stripe, and they are $40. So new front pocket trousers from Free Assembly. These have the button zip, that front pocket wide and flowy through the leg. Smock tank from Scoop. This one has the thin straps. This eyelet trim has the gold foiling, smocking through the waist, and then the same fit through the back. And these are going to be $21. I also found this at Devil Wears Prada. It looks like it's inside out. It's a skirt with the lace. Pull-on from Scoop. It was this embroidered flamingo dress from Free Assembly. It has the thin straps, the gathering under the bust, fit and then flares out Poplin material with a little tie. A new dress from Scoop. This one has the plunging neckline, puff sleeve, lightweight material, smocking under the bust. It looks like it's a shorter length with the same fit through the back. In the black, also comes in purple. It's that same kind of purple color. And they're $34. Pleated top from Free Assembly. This one has the thin straps, this little tight detail, flowy through the front and the back, and they're $24. They're Farm Rio, look for less. This one has the thin straps, the little tight detail, baby doll fit with the little papayas, and then the same fit through the back. New tier dress from Scoop. This has the thin strap, square neckline, the Henley buttons, pleating with the eyelet trim, and then a flowy skirt, same fit through the back. In the white with the cream lace, and then also this purple with the white. So new from Free Assembly is this thin strap dress. It is adjustable V-neckline, elastic little drawstring under the bust with the tiers. Same fit through the back in the green and white. Also comes in the blue stripe, and the dresses are $28. These new tops from Free Assembly, they have the thin strap, the scallop embroidered detailing, the little peplum, squared in the back. Tops are $22, and then to match, they have these skirts. These are pull-on with the drawstring, the same embroidered trim, and then the same fit through the back. And skirts are $34. Also new matching pant and shirt sets from Free Assembly. Pants have an elastic waistband with the drawstring, side pocket, flowy leg, seam fit through the back with the one pocket. And then the tops to match. They have the collar, lapel button with the drawstring, the little lower pocket button detail on the wrist, and then the seam in the back. First are the new flutter sleeve tops from Free Assembly. They have that elastic fit and flare with the peplum, smocking in the back. In the pink, also comes in the chambray, and they're $24. I have a new denim jacket from Free Assembly. These have the smaller collar, full button, the two flat pockets, button on the wrist with the seam in the back, and they are going to be $32. First trend we're shopping for are retro floral prints. Is puff sleeve dresses from Free Assembly. It has the squared neckline, that smocking, shorter fit with the pockets. Comes in this pink floral, also in the navy, and they're going to be $36. New from Free Assembly are these shorts. So these have that pull-on waistband drawstring. It's a twill look material, seam fit through the back. This print is very Farm Rio with the bananas, and then they also have the little pineapples. Those are embroidered on there. Oh no, this is from Jessica Simpson. That's also new, a little bandana dress. New flamingo dress. Oh, this is the green dress. So that's what it looks like. It has embroidered flamingos. A little tie back. Seeing a new Free Assembly shirt. These match back to the shorts we saw in the same print. They have the smaller collar, button on the wrist, oversized fit, same fit through the back. Top is going to be $24. So pineapple dress from Free Assembly. This one has the thicker straps, this little ruche detailing, smocking, fit and flare, seam fit through the back in the pink pineapple. Also comes in the white and yellow, and they're going to be $34. New smock dresses from Free Assembly. So these have the high neckline, smocking with the fit and flare, little squared back with the tie detail, and they're going to be $26. So comes in, I know it's a different one, I saw this before, but I'm seeing a new dress, the little swans, or they flamingos. I think they're flamingos, the pink. But they have the V neckline, elastic under the bust, fit and flare. And then the same fit through the back with elastic. And I think that's it, just that color. Shorts that match back to the tops. So I showed these before. They have the elastic waistband with the drawstring. That's a cute matching set. This top, how pretty. It has the thin straps that fold over, and then it folds over in the back. Just the regular scoop line. First up are these new vests from Free Assembly. They have the crew neckline, sleeveless, relaxed fit with the rib bottom. Same fit through the back in the pink with the pineapple. They also have green with the bananas. And they are going to be $20. So new from Free Assembly are these little pineapple beaded cardigans. They have that crew neckline, the little shoulder detail, ribbed at the sleeve, also at the bottom. How pretty. Same fit through the back, and the cardigans are $30. Also new denim shorts from Free Assembly. They have the button, 2 front pockets. It's a lighter weight material. It's what they look like up close. But they have the look of denim, and then the elastic through the back, and the shorts are $24. So new from Free Assembly are these cardigans. These have the scallop trim in the light blue color, and these are going to be $24. Online only. Free Assembly dress. It has the sweater on top, the peplum skirt, same fit through the back. Sneak peek dresses from Scoop. These have the thin strap V neckline. It's a lightweight material, flowy, squared in the back. In the red, also comes in black, and they're $32. So new from Free Assembly are these beaded cardigans. So these have the little, they look like flamingos, but they're, I think it's white with red. They have the crew neckline, ribbed wrist, ribbed bottom. Same style as the pineapples, and they are going to be $30. New palm tree skirts from Free Assembly. These have an elastic waistband, crochet, but it's lined up until that point. And then the same fit through the back with the zipper, also has the slit. And the skirts are going to be $26. Oops. Sweater vest from Free Assembly. These have that high neckline, the scallop trim, pointel in this green stripe. Also comes in the blue and pink stripe, and they are going to be $26. Free Assembly denim vest. This has that crew neckline. I think this was online only. Color in the flats from Scoop. So these have that round toe, the little opening. We saw them in the red. These are $45. Also in the rope are these sandals from Free Assembly. They have the round toe, little ankle strap, and they're $38. New mules from Free Assembly. They have the round toe, ankle strap, and they're $38. Also new from Free Assembly are these mesh little espadrilles. They have the trim with the cap toe, and these are $44. We also saw them in this raffia. So new color in these slides from Scoop. These have the square toe, or like the little fish scales, and they're going to be $36. I'm gonna end the video. Thank you so much for watching. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.